change system that will make you change attachments very easily. Now let's follow me here. Let's see the engine. The engine hood is already open here. This place. Okay, this is a standard engine. It's a Chinese Weichai brand, and it's a 6-cylinder engine. The power is 92 kilowatts. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cylinders. Now let's go inside the cabin. Okay. Very big loader for me. Okay. Oh, the seat very comfortable. It's you see, it's adjustable seat, and also here is the back camera, and the radio, and the hammer, and the fan, and the heating. Yeah. Now let's start the engine here. Engine is started. You can see the dashboard here. Also need the lights and the fan. And here, this is the fully electronic joystick. So there are a few buttons here. So if you push the joystick backwards, yeah, you can see the arm is going up, lifted now. I can use the gas pedal to make it faster. Okay. And if to the left position, you can see the bucket is tilted. Yeah. And to the right position, are used to control the telescopic arm. Yeah, if you push this button, the extended arm is extending now. It's very easy to control. And this button is on the opposite position, extractive. You can see the arm is becoming shorter now. Another 2 buttons. Here you should control the quick hinge system. Yeah, the quick hinge. You can use to change the attachments. And here's the yellow button on the side. It's to the control the speed, high speed and low speed. Okay. There are two speeds. Forward and